DJ BloodOno in the house. Let's bounce, here we go. Vanua level to the Gold Coast. Now duty to the far road. She left with the brave heart, Aussie sky on her face. But that map made the memory, still held her original place. From Coro when I do it, Makuata in her blood. Every call from the islands, put her back like a flood. She moves with sweet patience, never rush, never fold. A woman with two beautiful souls, and the spirit made her gold. BloodOno Sweetawai, still singing in the chest. From Yasawa to a doorstep, she carries all the best. Hold on, baby. Hold on now. Love stays, baby. Love stays in the sound. BloodOno Sweetawai. BloodOno Sweetawai. She never let it die, she never let it die. Yeah. Version 1, I speak the clean, rap flow on the right. She kept the roots in the suitcase and her heart open wide. Version 2, we changed the drum, let the island roll slow. Skanking through the night air, where the soft warm breezes blow. She calls home on the weekend, laughs with tears in her eyes. Says my culture is my necklace, no one can take that prize. Hold on, baby. Hold on now. Love stays, baby. Love stays in the sound. BloodOno Sweetawai. BloodOno Sweetawai. She never let it die, she never let it die. In the fields of the memory, in the salt and the rain, she was raised by the stories that keep a woman sane. Two beautiful souls beside her, and they dance through the pain. One love, one life, one promise that returns again. Version 3, I come back hard, rolling like a long train. 20 minutes in the feeling, let the last part stain. From Vanua, never evenings to the street she walks on. She is strong, she is gentle, she is never gone. DJ BloodOno in the house, let the whole room sway. Fijian and English together till the music fades away.